Hi, I'm Miss Brittany, and for today's activity corner, we are making marbled leaves. This is a fun way to make unique leaves for the season. For this project, you're going to need a pan or dish like this one, shaving cream that is foam, not gel, a toothpick, popsicle stick, or spoon, scissors, paper towels, a piece of paper or one of the templates provided in the kit, and food coloring or acrylic paint. So the first thing you're going to do for this project is you're going to take your shaving cream and your pan, and you're going to give your shaving cream a few good shakes. We want to make sure that it's ready to go. Once you've done this, you're going to spray your shaving cream into the pan. All right, so you want to try and make it as even as possible. As you can see, mine didn't quite do what I was hoping it would, but it doesn't need to be perfect. If you find that there is one spot that has a little bit more shaving cream than the others, you can use your hand, a butter knife, or a card to just try and spread it around. Once this is done, and you want to try and make sure that it is maybe about an inch thick. It does not have to be perfect. And if it needs to be more, that is fine. So once you have your shaving cream about how you want it, next we're going to set up our drying station, which means that you're going to take a paper towel and you're going to place it on the table near your pan. This is going to be your drying station when you're done. Make sure that your piece of paper towel is about the size of your leaf because you are going to be putting it on there and we don't want anything to get on your table. Next, we're going to add our colors. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can put dots in. You can do lines. You can use whatever colors you would like. This is your project. Oh my. Once you have all of your colors in there how you want them to be, now it is time to create your design. You're going to take your spoon, toothpick, or popsicle stick, and you're going to move it through the shaving cream slowly and carefully. You can move it in whatever direction you would like. You can go up and down, side to side, zigzag, round and round. As you can see, the colors are kind of moving as the shaving cream does. You want your colors to mix, but you do not want them to combine. If you notice new colors starting to form, you might want to consider stopping. All right. I think that's good enough. Once you have your design figured out, now it's time to deal with your leaf. So If you're not using the template and you want to create your own, you're going to take a piece of paper and you are going to create your own design. It can be any shape, any size, however you want it. Once you have that figured out, now it's time to figure out if you want to cut it or not. And this includes if you're using the template as well, which should look something like this. Now, you can either take your scissors and cut it out now, so you don't have to do it later. You can leave it as it is and cut it out at the end. Or you don't have to cut it out at all. Looks kind of nice like this, doesn't it? All nice and framed. You can do that too. It's up to you, and you can do however you want. Once you've figured out how you want your leaf to be, I chose to cut mine out. We're going to put it in our shaving cream. Now, if there's a specific side that you want to make sure gets colored, like this one has some of the outline, so I want it to be colored. That's the side you're going to place face down into the shaving cream. Now, once you've placed it in, you can press it in lightly. You do not want to slam it. And you want to make sure that the most of your leaf that you can is in the shaving cream. All right, once you have it how you want it, you're going to leave it in for 10 seconds. Count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, your leaf is ready to come out. Now this may be a little messy, but you want to make sure to grab 2 sides of your leaf so that you're pulling it up and not over. And carefully pull it out of your shaving cream. Now it should look like it's got a lot of shaving cream left over. That is okay. We are going to place it on our paper towel that we put down earlier with the color side up. And now we're going to leave it for 5 minutes. This is a good time to go clean up. Now, in the interest of time, I did this already. So once you are done with once 5 minutes has passed, you're going to take another paper towel and slowly wipe the excess shaving cream off of your leaf. Once that is all gone, it should look a little bit like this. Cool, isn't it? Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your really cool new leaves. Bye.